Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet 8015 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi Direct setup. So this is the inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer, and if you do not have home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use it for the wireless printing and scanning. First step is to switch on the printer and go on the display panel. Scroll down the top bar and click on the Wi-Fi Direct icon here. It will display the name of the Wi-Fi Direct and below is the password here. And the next thing is to connect it with any device. For example, I have Android device here, and we simply have to open the Wi-Fi setting in that. You will see the name of the printer, Direct HP OfficeJet Pro. Enter the password as displayed on the printer screen. So this will be a different password for every printer, so you just have to find out the password and enter it. Once you connect it, go and open the HP Smart app. You can download the app from the App Store. And to add the printer, click on the Add Printer button or the plus button on the top. You will see the printer series here. Click on that. Instantly it will add up the printer. You will see the detail here. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi Direct setup, and from here you can just start the wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.